In this video, I will show you how to add a token to Coinbase Wallet. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on my Coinbase. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do, if you look at the top, you want to go ahead and press the receive button. Now, when you press onto this button, what it's going to do is bring up a wallet address like this. And from here, you want to select the network that the token is on that you want to basically add to Coinbase. So what you would do is press over here. As you can see, it's currently on Polygon, but say for example, we wanted to add a token on Ethereum, we would go ahead and select Ethereum. Now, by doing this, you're going to get a QR code, but if you look underneath, you've actually got your wallet address. So what you want to do is copy the wallet address by pressing the button here. Then what you can do is come into another wallet that you want to add the token from. So for example, let's say we wanted to transfer an Ethereum token from Trust Wallet. What I would do is open up Trust Wallet and search for my relevant crypto on the Ethereum network. For example, if we wanted to send and add the Pepe token, then we would press onto Pepe. And once we press onto the token, you're going to want to press onto the send icon. Now at this point, you need to go ahead and paste your wallet address, which you copied from Coinbase, into the address here. Then what you can do is enter the amount that you want to send through. Once that's done, it's going to tell you sort of conversion rates and things like that, but you would simply go ahead and press the next button at the bottom. And after doing this, what it's going to do is take you through the steps to send and add that token to your Coinbase wallet. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.